Season of Docs is a program organized by Google that connects tech writers with open source organizations. The goal of this program is to help open source organizations improve their documentation and help tech writers contribute docs to open source projects and also earn a stipend. The program is now in the technical writer exploration phase, in which tech writers discuss project ideas with the mentors. So you have 1 month to go through all the available projects and talk to the mentors to figure out which projects are good for you. And then you have to write proposals for your shortlisted projects, discussing why you are a good fit for the project and your documentation plan for the project. The tech writing application period starts on June 9th and ends on July 9th. And once organizations select their tech writers, there will be a community bonding period to let the tech writers get to know the mentors, the rest of the team, and the community. And then the actual documentation development begins in September and concludes in November. For writing proposals, my favorite resource is the book Writing Proposals. It's one of my favorite technical writing books in general, not just for proposal writing. But I'm not sure everyone will be able to get the book. So I wrote an article about my favorite takeaways from the book and how to use the takeaways to write project proposals for Season of Docs. I also included insights from my last year's experience as a tech writing mentor. If you have subscribed to my newsletter, you should have received the link to the article in your inbox already. If you haven't subscribed to my newsletter yet, check out the subscription link in the description box below.